Yo, what's good everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So here is G-Code. Kumanta sila ng Ama Kabugera. So yung caption dito is captivating performance. So this is quite interesting. And we all know the song. It's from My Entrata. Ama Kabugera. Ganon. So I'm very excited kung anong twist ang ating matutunghayan sa kanilang performance. And make sure to follow me on my Facebook page, David Lanyas, and on Instagram, RealDavid_29. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go!
Okay.
Lalakad na. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, anim sila. May mga hagod. Mga ganun.
I think they are. Malamang feeling. Parang girl group.
Yeah.
Good vibes na itong kantang to, no? Kinuha na ni Coach Chito. Parang isa lang yung nag-harmonize.
Oh my God, I feel so bad.
Ay, dapat lumingon ka.
Okay, before anything else, before natin pakinggan yung judges, pakinggan nyo muna yung opinion ko. Una, energy is there, okay? No? Individually, yung boses nila, it sounds so good, no? Individual, kasi yung parang naging style nila, no? Sa performance nila is isang kanta, tapos may part sila. So, that's obviously the case, no? Pero, with all honesty, nakulangan ako sa harmonization. They could have maximized that one, no? They could have showcased yung side na group talaga, not the individual or solo lang na mga parts na melody lang, no? Nakulangan ako. Ang tanging na parang maganda lang sa harmonization is yung part na aking ginusto. Yun. Nag-harmonize sila doon, and some parts ng a little phrases doon sa chorus. So, sa akin lang, if I were to really arrange that, kasi anim sila no? They should have maximized yung mga vocal qualities nila, yung vocal placements na pwede pa nilang maging creative sila ba sa pag-harmonize. So, doon ako nakulangan. So, sasabihin nyo, hindi naman kasi bagay sa Ama Kabugera. Now, kaya nga pinili nila to because they're confident enough, no, to sing this song, and the hype is there, the energy is there. So, the challenge is kung paano nila ipakita sa atin at iparinig sa atin yung kakayahan nila mag-harmonize pa, no? Kaya doon lang. Pero individually, they are so good. Like, so good, no? Makikita mo naman na kahit sila, anim, separately mag-audition sila for solo performance. Goods na goods. Para sa akin lang, kasi sayang no? Anim sila, tapos, for me, hindi nila na-maximize yung opportunity na i-showcase pa yung harmonization. Pero, again, that's my own opinion, and still, they had a great and wonderful, energizing, and captivating performance sa blind audition. Gento. Mga 18 to.
Grabe, di ko na-expect. Akala ko mga adult yung kumakanta. Mga bata pala.
So cute!
Hi, ladies!
You're so cute! Ano pangalan ng group ninyo, by the way?
G-Code
po. Bakit?
Pero feeling ko, ano lang to sila, kaya siguro hindi pa nila medyo naipapakita yung pagiging grupo talaga in terms of harmonization. I think ginrupo lang sila, no? Parang they're actually originally solo performers na nilagay lang sa isang grupo. That's my gut feeling.
Bakit yun ang napili ninyong name?
It stands for Girls Code po.
Ako gusto ko lang sabihin po grabe ang babata nyo pa, pero yung talent na meron kayo, parang kaya nang itapat sa kahit na sinong grupo na nandito sa Pilipinas.
Alam niyo, girls, alam mo, to be fair, kung sino man sa kanila ang pipiliin ninyo, for sure na matutulungan nila kayo. Because, you know, like, you have a lot of potential and sobrang adorable ninyo, full package.
Kaya din ako impressed kasi nung tinitira niya yung high notes, sobrang pasok. Sabay
Yes.
yung mga, kung kailan nagpunta sa mga stanzas, ganun-ganun yung melody, every melody natatamaan nyo ng tama. Sarap.
Individually, okay talaga.
Were you all dancing?
No.
Habang kumakanta?
Yes po.
We
We sing
na-
and dance
Mahirap yun
Mahirap talaga.
Hindi.
Happy ako.
Hindi sila like dancing siguro na individually, no? Pero hindi naman natin nakita yung parang choreography talaga na unison, no? I think that's what Miss Julie was referring to, no?
Dahil opposite actually ang genre namin ni Boss Chito, sa totoo lang Kung sa totoo mas closer yung ako sa
with
girl
dancing.
group or sa
Hindi,
group.
understandable to.
Hindi, totoo naman kasi ako 30 plus years na akong sumasayaw at kumakanta. So that's kumbaga yun yung may aambag ko sa inyo. Kaya lang, pag ito ang pinili nyo, malawak ang utak nito. And ito isa sa pinakahenyo sa industriya natin. Totoo yan. At nire-reverse psychology ko rin to. Para piliin nyo ako. Pero kayo magde-decide, I'm happy regardless.
Ako naman sa akin naman, first of all, obviously, hawak niya yung vocals Magaling na talaga dyan. And I'm not the best singer sa group na to, obviously. Pero, what I lack sa singing, nadala ko sa
Producer.
performance. That's why I deserve the seat here. Pero pagdating sa performance and claiming the stage, pwede ko kayo matulungan doon.
Ngayon, nasa inyo na ang desisyon. Sino ang coach na
Ito lang yan, mas mabait ako kaysa kay Coach. Mas mabait ako.
Ang pipiliin po namin coach ay si Coach
Chito.
Coach Billy.
Coach Billy po.
Sa dancing. In terms of skill naman sa grupo na to, I think pasok na pasok si Sir Billy kasi nga sing and dance din to
Hi girls! Ito muna ang small token ko para sa inyong grupo. Welcome to Team B.
Ayan. So, it was indeed a captivating performance. No. So, balikan lang natin yung sinabi ko yung choreography, what I think yung nire-refer ni Miss Julie is all throughout the performance they were singing and dancing in choreography, no? Kasi yung nakita lang natin is a glimpse of yung blockings lang, no? Yung saan sila pupunta, kung saan sila, pupunta sa stage pag sila yung kumakanta, and the chorus part, pero may konting blocking doon, placements, no? Pero I think yung nire-refer talaga ni Miss Julie was yung katulad ng mga P-pop ngayon, like SB19 na all throughout the song na para may steps talaga or choreography. Yun lang. But again, individually, they're also good, and hopefully, no, kasi nakuha nila si Coach Billy as coach, so mas mafo-focus yung nila, yung pag-maximize sa kanilang harmonization as a group. But again, I love the energy sa mga batang ito, and malaki talaga yung potential, no? So, possible nga to, pwede to maging P-pop, no? Regardless kung ano man yung success nila dito sa show na to. So, naipakita na kasi nila na they can all sing and dance. So, baka may maka-scout, may manager, may mga management labels na pwedeng kunin sila and mas i-develop pa kasi they have a really big potential. So that's what I see. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.